Understanding Classroom Lecture, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common educational term, classroom lecture. Understanding this concept is crucial for students and educators alike. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in educational settings. A classroom lecture is a method of teaching, typically used in schools and universities. It involves a teacher or professor presenting information to students in a structured format. The key features of a classroom lecture include a teacher or lecturer, the person who delivers the lecture, a group of students, those who listen and learn, a topic or subject matter, the content of the lecture, a classroom setting, the physical or virtual space where the lecture takes place. Classroom lectures serve several important purposes. To impart knowledge, lectures are a way to transfer knowledge from teacher to student. To stimulate interest, a well-delivered lecture can inspire and motivate students. To provide a framework, lectures often give students a structured understanding of a subject. To encourage note-taking and listening skills, students learn to take notes and listen attentively during lectures. An effective classroom lecture has certain characteristics. Clarity of speech and presentation. Information is presented clearly and understandably. Engagement with students. Interaction with students to ensure they are following along. Use of examples and illustrations, making the content relatable and easier to understand. Appropriate pacing. Delivering the lecture at a speed that is comfortable for students. Students play an active role in classroom lectures by listening attentively, focusing on what the teacher is saying, taking notes, writing down key points and information, asking questions, seeking clarification on topics that are unclear, participating in discussions, engaging with the content and contributing to the learning environment. With the advent of technology, classroom lectures have evolved. Virtual lectures, lectures delivered online through video conferencing tools, interactive elements, use of multimedia and interactive tools to enhance learning, access to a wider audience. Online lectures can reach students globally. We hope this video has helped clarify the concept of a classroom lecture. Remember, whether you're a student attending lectures or an educator delivering them, understanding this teaching method is key to success in the educational world. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.